Welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating this brownish gold look that I have on today. I hope you guys like it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get started with this look. All right, to start off this look, we are going to prime. I am going to prime the face with Avent Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer. And then I am going to prime my eyes with Viseart Eye Primer. Okay, so I'm going to go right into concealer. I am using Treseek right here, and I'm going to use this around my eyes and a few points just to kind of even out my skin tone. Okay, so now I am going into foundation, and I am going to use Beauty Blender in shade 1.30W. This says it's Bounce, I guess that's what it is. It's a liquid whipped long wearing foundation. Okay, so now I am going into eyebrows, and I am going to use Mellow Brown Pomade right here. I am using this one today just because it kind of sticks better, and I just feel like wearing that, but that is what the inside looks like. Clearly I've used this a bunch. Okay, so now we are going to do something a little different. I have seen these smoky eyes where they take the black liner and put on the edge and then smoke it out, but I don't want to do anything as harsh, so I am going to try it with this color here. This is Bambi Disney Collection here. I'm trying to find the color. It's on here somewhere. Anyways, this is the one I'm going to start out with and line the eyes with. And I'm going to smoke this out as well. Okay, so that wasn't as dark as I was hoping for. So I'm going to take this other pencil from our Shelly. This is in shade Chocolate. And I'm going to go back over it with this one here. I'm going to take this trusty old applicator right here, and this is what I'm going to use to kind of smudge it out a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to go into this Nomad palette here. If you have not tried this brand before, I highly recommend it. Their shades are beautiful. And I'm going to smoke it out even more with this color right here. Alright, I'm going to take this color right here and I'm going to go back over it and blend it out even more. Okay, so I'm going to take this white color here and go over the top part of the lid just to kind of give it a kind of a base color. Okay, so I want my creases to be a little bit more defined than they are, so I'm going to go back in with this color right here. Okay, so now I'm going to take these two colors right here and go under the eyes. I'm going to use this part on the inner corner under the eyes, and then I'm going to use this on the outer corner of the eyes. Okay, so I do want a little extra sparkle on the top of the lid without going too glittery. I am going to use this right here. This is Artist Culture Golden Hour. It's not picking up, but that's what it is. It is a very shiny, shimmery, kind of gold color. Okay, so now I'm going to line the bottom of the eyes, and I'm going to use these two colors that I used earlier. I'm going to use this Bambi color in the inner corner of the waterline and this other one in the outer corner of the waterline. Okay, so I am going to line the top of my eyes again, but I'm going to use black just because I want them a little bit more defined, and I am using Luna Liner by Seraphine Botanicals. Alright, for mascara we are going to use this Curl Keeper volume thing here. I can't really read it, so I can't really tell you much. I don't know if it's picking up because of the reflection. But I got this off of Yes Style, and it curls your lashes. So I'm going to put this on my top and bottom lashes. Then I'm going to go back over my lashes with this mascara here from Elate. so now we are going to do some light contouring to give my face a little dimension, excuse me. We are using Tarte Park Avenue Princess right there. And I am probably going to stick with these two colors right here. Okay, so now we are moving on to highlight. I am going to use Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. And then I am going to make it extra gold with the Natasha Denona Glow Gold. You can see the two colors there. Okay, so now we are moving on to blush. We are going to use Alamar Cosmetics right here. They have these two colors that I'm going to work with, this color, and that will be my blush. Alright, to smooth out some of the harshness I got going on and blend this a little bit better, I am going to go in with my setting powder, and of course I like the look that it gives for the final look, but I am using Private Society Get Set Face Powder. Alright, for lip color, I am going to use Hank & Henry liquid lipstick in shade Pookie. And I am also going to top that with this gloss from Marc Jacobs in Electric Lights. Alright, to finish this off with some setting spray, I am going to use ColourPop Pretty Fresh and with the hyaluronic acid. And then I am going to use Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. There you go. That is my finished look. What do you guys think? If you try this look out, please post it and tag me because I would love to see what you create. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.